How is your day going so far? I'm Yevhen, a technician at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, Canada. It was time to repair Bosch appliances. The company received a service call to repair a Bosch dishwasher in the Westdale area of Winnipeg. Description of the Bosch dishwasher malfunction. Water flows out from under the dishwasher when it is turned off and doesn't work. Diagnostics. Unscrew two screws and remove the lower protective panel from the dishwasher. Gotcha. A visual inspection revealed that the inlet water valve is leaking. I decided to replace it with a new one. Repair. I shut off the water inlet valve and disconnect the dishwasher from the power supply to replace the water inlet valve. I remove the dishwasher from the furniture, disconnect the electrical terminal and disconnect the water supply hose from the valve. Then, I dismantle the leaking valve and install a new one in its place. I connect the electrical terminal and screw the water supply hose to the new valve. I restored the water supply and electrical power to the dishwasher. Without installing in it the furniture, I run a test cycle and carefully observe. Success! The dishwasher works in all modes, and there are no more signs of leaks, let alone leaks. I built the dishwasher into the furniture and run it again to check. All wash cycles go well, no leaks. Repair is complete. The Bosch dishwasher is ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have any questions about repairing your Bosch dishwasher or any other appliances, leave a comment, and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.